Today, we are excited to bring you some amazing inventions. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Navicam Express. The Navicam Express stomach system is a cutting-edge, capsule-based endoscopy solution designed for rapid and accurate gastric examinations. Utilizing advanced imaging and AI-powered analysis, it provides high-resolution visuals of the stomach without invasive procedures. The system enhances patient comfort, streamlines diagnostics, and aids in the early detection of gastrointestinal conditions. Its wireless technology ensures real-time monitoring, making it an efficient and reliable tool for medical professionals seeking precise, non-invasive diagnostics. Hyundai X-Blee Shoulder. The Hyundai X-Blee Shoulder is an industrial wearable robot developed by Hyundai Motor and Kia's Robotics Lab. Designed to assist workers performing overhead tasks, it enhances upper arm strength and reduces strain on the musculoskeletal system. Utilizing a non-powered torque generation structure, it decreases shoulder load by up to 60% and muscle activity by 30%. Constructed from lightweight carbon composites, the device weighs approximately 1.9 kilograms, 4.1 pounds, ensuring user comfort during extended use. The X-Blee Shoulder is expected to be available in the first half of 2025. Rheinmetall Ladeboardstein. Rheinmetall Ladeboardstein is an innovative charging solution that integrates electric vehicle (EV) charging infrastructure directly into urban curbs. Designed to blend seamlessly into city environments, these modular curb units provide up to 22 kilowatts AC charging power. They feature user-friendly, one-handed operation without direct curb contact and support authentication via RFID, QR code, or operator app. Equipped with an integrated 4G modem and Ethernet, the system ensures reliable communication and real-time data exchange with back-end systems. The Ladeboardstein's design allows for easy installation and maintenance, with a swappable electronic module that can be quickly replaced to minimize downtime. This approach addresses common challenges in urban EV charging, such as space constraints and aesthetic concerns, by utilizing existing infrastructure efficiently. Leva Kinetic Wall. The Leva Kinetic Wall is an interactive installation engineered by Leva, designed to captivate audiences through dynamic movement and engagement. Comprising numerous motorized elements, each individually controlled, the wall creates fluid, nature-inspired choreographies that respond to the presence and actions of viewers. This innovative blend of art and technology has been showcased in various high-profile settings, including the Geneva International Motor Show and the Address Skyview in Dubai. By seamlessly integrating advanced mechatronics with aesthetic design, the Leva Kinetic Wall transforms static spaces into immersive, ever-changing environments. Foil Point 1 Pegasus. The Foil Point 1 Pegasus is a single-passenger electric hydrofoil boat that combines advanced technology with design elements inspired by 1950s Formula One cars and World War I aircraft. Constructed entirely from carbon fiber, it offers exceptional strength and lightness. The Pegasus is powered by two swappable 5 kilowatt-hour battery packs, providing over 2 hours of cruising time and capable of reaching speeds up to 30 knots. Its unique single-track design allows for intuitive control, similar to handling a high-performance motorcycle. Pre-orders are currently open, with prices starting at €139,900. The 7sense Superbrain 1. The 7sense Superbrain 1 is an innovative assistive device designed to enhance spatial awareness for individuals with visual impairments. Utilizing proprietary telehaptic sight technology, it translates visual information into tactile sensations on the user's forehead, enabling them to perceive objects, motion, speed, and distance through a remote sense of touch. This hands-free, intuitive system promotes safer and more independent navigation in various environments. Shopic. Shopic is a technology company that enhances the grocery shopping experience by transforming standard shopping carts into smart carts. Their AI-powered clip-on device, Shopee, attaches easily to any regular cart, utilizing computer vision to automatically identify products as they are added or removed. This system provides shoppers with a live display of their bill on a large touchscreen, enables on-cart payments to eliminate checkout lines, and offers personalized promotions through an integrated retail media channel. For retailers, Shopik delivers valuable real-time analytics on shopper behavior and store operations, facilitating data-driven optimization. The solution is designed for quick deployment with minimal store modifications, making it a practical choice for modernizing physical supermarkets. Connor K3. Connor K3 Amphibio is an innovative amphibious helicopter developed by Connor Helicopters, designed to seamlessly transition between aerial and aquatic environments. Powered by the robust TK250 turbine engine and enhanced by the HAZ hybrid system, it offers exceptional performance and versatility. Its carbon fiber construction ensures a lightweight yet durable frame, contributing to its agility and efficiency. A standout feature of the K3 Amphibio is its ability to take off and land on water, expanding its operational capabilities beyond traditional helicopters. This unique functionality opens new avenues for exploration and transportation, making it a pioneering model in the InMotion E20. The InMotion E20 is a beginner-friendly electric unicycle designed for ease of use and stability. Its innovative single-wheel, dual-tire design provides lateral self-balancing, allowing most users to learn to ride in just 3 minutes. The E20 can reach speeds up to 20 km per hour, 12.4 miles per hour, and has a range of approximately 30 kilometers, 18.6 miles, on a single charge. Additional features include a Bluetooth speaker for music playback and RGB ambient lighting for enhanced visibility and style. PixKit 3.0. The PixKit 3.0 is an advanced autonomous driving development kit designed to streamline the creation and testing of self-driving vehicle solutions. It offers a comprehensive platform equipped with essential hardware and software components, enabling rapid development and iteration. The kit supports open-source autonomous driving software such as AutoWare and Apollo, facilitating integration and customization. Its OpenCAN interface allows for seamless integration with upper control layers, enhancing flexibility for developers. PixKit 3.0 has been utilized by universities, research institutes, and autonomous vehicle companies worldwide, including in the US, UK, Switzerland, Australia, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, Germany, the Netherlands, and Sweden. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.